Hey, do you want to know how to floor carve? But every time you try, you look like one of these 3 examples? Well, don't worry. You found the perfect video, and I'm going to teach you every step of the way so you can become a perfect floor carver. Let's get straight into it. Okay, first we have the mistakes. These are the most common mistakes people make when trying to do it. A big mistake most people make is putting their hand straight like this. People don't realize the difference between putting your hand flat and putting your hand straight. You need to have your hand flat on the ground. If you have it straight, then it won't carve. You'll just go in circles. Maybe sometimes you can get lucky, but you don't want to be sometimes. You want to be able to carve always. Another mistake, which is a pretty small mistake that most people don't make, is instead of like keeping your hands out, they grip down, which causes them to break. So then you can't carve, you just like drift. Okay, now how to actually floor carve. You need to have your hand flat, and you want to turn in real life, a 360. Don't turn too quick. If you turn too quick, then you'll probably not carve. See, if I'm turning too quick, I don't stick that much. So what you need to do, slowly carve. Boom, turn, boom, turn, turn. You need to turn in real life, turn in real life. Turn this way, turn that way. Turn this way, turn that way. Another way, which isn't another way, but another way to like teach you, just look at your hand and try to see if you're messing anything up. So make it flat. It doesn't have to be completely straight. You can tilt your hand a little if you want. Whatever feels comfortable. Okay, some ways to practice is come to Spark Supplies. It's right by the entrance is right here, Spark Supplies. Come in here.
First time at
just carve around here.
Don't worry.
Carve.
We all start somewhere.
Carve.
Usually right where you're standing
Carve
at the door,
up here.
actually.
Make some turns. You can even come down here and do some circles around these. It's a nice little way. You might get dizzy though, so if you don't have a strong stomach, don't recommend this way of practicing. Okay, sorry for the short video this week. I just didn't have that many ideas, and I had to get this video done quickly. So yeah, I hope this helped you. I hope you know how to floor carve now. Please like and subscribe if that helped you. It helps me a lot. And yeah, this ball is gonna say bye to you, okay? See ya.